Let's open up a bar and restuarant.
We have drinks like big baby bottles and they have all flavor, like strawberries and all fruits.
Riley. Can I work? Sorry. Next week. I hate you. I am going on Luigi Jr. side.
This fat ass is following me.
Welcome to Uncle Tom's Restaurant. What you want? We have baby food like pacifier burgers.
We are selling Happy Meals and all kids meals and baby lunch.
No. This stupid restaurant is going down.
I better run. Before Luigi Jr. gets me.
Here. I got a secret present for you. Here. Are you happy? So. Get out of my face. Or else. More punch in the face.
Thanks. Is that means you're my friend?
No. I am not your friend. So. Get out of my face.
Wah.
This restaurant is going out of business. I am calling the cops on Riley. And I am calling the group home service on you and David Johnson.
Please don't. Don't put us out of business. People loves baby meals and kids meals.
Yes. You are going out of business. I am calling the Demolition Construction Services. Hello. I need a construction services for demolition.
Okay, I will bring a demolition services. But what business is that?
It was that big baby Tom and that childish dad.
But what they were selling?
It is a dumb restaurant. They were selling anything stupid. Like kids meal and Happy Meal.
Okay, bye.
Say goodbye to your business.
Hello. It is time for a demolition.
I am calling the group home. Like Tina and Diesel. Hello Diesel. I need you to pick up your group home patients.
Where they are?
Uncle Tom's Restaurant.
What is Uncle Tom Restaurant?
It was Big Baby Tom's Restaurant. But it got demolished.
Okay, bye. I am coming.
Bye. I see you later. You are in deep trouble. You and Thomas Scott knew.
Let's go.
Now, I am calling the police on Riley. Hello. Is this a police?
Yes, it is.
I need you to arrest Riley.
Okay, we will look for Riley.
Okay, bye.
Finally. You destroy this place. It was called Uncle Tom's Restaurant. And it was owned by Thomas Scott New. Because they were selling kids meal and Happy Meals.
That freaking restaurant is finally out of business. Because they selling babyish food. And nobody likes that restaurant. And that restaurant is full of cowards.
Let's change it to Wendy's.
Hi Kristen.
Hi Anna.
My parents is from Russia.
My parents is from Ukraine. But I was born in the US.
Me too. I was born in the United States.
What's up cousin? Luigi Jr. I hate your dad. Means I hate my uncle. And I hate my dad. Is hate your uncle.
I always hate my dad. Is I hate your uncle. Me and Mario Jr. hate our dads. Let's play Donkey Kong the Yeti songs.
Cousin. Now I want to hear Angry Grandpa's songs.
Now another Donkey Kong the Yeti music.
We are waiting for our burgers. Thomas Scott New is worse than Kevin McAllister.
Thomas Scott New is worse than Cody.
This is the police. Riley, you have nowhere to hide. We are taking you away. You are under arrest.
I better run, before the police get me. Whoa.
Thomas Scott New and David Johnson. You are grounded for life.
Go to bed. Right now.
War.
They are troublemakers.